Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and this time I'm gonna fix some cables. As you can see, the first thing that you have to do is make sure that all the electricity is shut down, just in case. Now, I'm not an electrician, but I love electricity, and I can tell you that I'm really good figuring things out. And basically what I just did, just cut everything. You can see the cables, how they are structured. This thing is like in the form of an A, as you can see here, right? And basically it's just follow common sense and logic, right? So this is the green cable, so you put it at the top of the A. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I have already done that before and I tested and it's fine. Then you're gonna see the blue one, which you're gonna put it here at the bottom to the right. And then you're gonna see the black one, which I guess is the neutral, and put it at the left, right? And based on that, I'm just gonna follow the same instruction. So you're gonna see me here. I'm gonna speed this up and I'll see you around.